We can't wait to bring the Chattahoochee Nature Center to you as you view from the comfort of your home or classroom. Our skilled naturalists will provide you with an intimate learning experience as you learn about one of our animal ambassadors and the natural world around them. In this program, you'll get an up-close view of one of our amazing animals and will have the opportunity to become immersed in the animal's story. You'll learn about the animal's natural history, how it is adapted to live in Georgia, and how the special animal came to the Chattahoochee Nature Center. Program leaders can choose from one of the following animals: eastern box turtle, snake, gopher tortoise, opossum, or raptor for this experiential opportunity. Students will have the opportunity to interact with CNC's naturalist and ask any questions that they may have about the animal. A live animal encounter is a wonderful experience for any grade level or any age. We look forward to your virtual visit.